This is the difference between a 3 and a 3.5 inch muffler. You think, oh, what's a 1/2 inch? But it is huge. There is a big difference in the pipes. And I've taken that and I'm now testing the Dynomax Ultraflow 3.5 inch muffler. Now I had a 3 before. This is our test bed. It's a stroked 440 Siamese block Mopar running on E85, 671 blower. But I would say 10% boost. She dynoed at 1,020 right now in street attire. She's probably about 800 at the wheels. So the new system I'm testing now has the dumps on the outside, or just on the side above the front wheels, versus what I had before. This is a good shot. Yeah. You can see him sitting under here. Alright, so let's start her up. So here we go. This is our test. I mean, it's loud, but it's not ridiculously loud.